Hi, I'm Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 2005 Nissan Titan. Car came in, can't shift into any gear. This is a common problem with Nissans. What happened is the gear shift cable grommet deteriorated and the gear shift cable popped off the gear shift. So I'm going to be showing you how to replace the gear shift grommet. Okay, this is the shift linkage repair kit I'm going to be using today to do this job. I got this from the internet. So first, set your emergency brake. So what we need to do is put this gear shift into the neutral position. So we're going to be turning the ignition to the on position. Now we're going to be stepping the brake. And then we're going to be shifting this thing into neutral. Okay, so now I'm going to be unscrewing the gear shift knob. So this panel right here, we're going to have to pop it up. So I'm going to be pulling the panel upwards. It's going to pop out. It's pretty tight, but you just got to force it out. And just angle it. You can just put it on the side. So this is the cable. As you can see, it's not connected to the gear shift. So I'm going to be installing the new grommet right into this cable. So first I'm going to be removing this lock that holds the cable in. It's a lot easier if you do it this way. Now we can lift this cable upwards. So now I'm going to be putting my bushing right into the cable. So there's a tool that comes with the bushing. That's how you install it. And the kit came with this packet of grease. This is a silicone grease. Okay, what we can do now is we'll put the shifter cable back on and put the lock on. So now we're going to be putting the gear shift into the park position. So now we can line up the gear shift with the cable. So we're going to be hooking this cable right onto this gear shift, but put a little bit of this grease that came with the kit. Just grease up the gear shift side and then just push your cable right in. So now we're going to be putting the gear shift into the neutral position. Okay, now we're going to be putting on the panel. Putting on the gear shift knob. And you're good to go. So that's how you replace a gear shift cable grommet. If you have any questions, comment below. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up and I see you in the next video. Aloha.